Hey, this is Matt, and so today we're going to be talking about the Caesar Cipher. So this is video 2 of the cryptography on simple cipher series, where we look at the mathematics behind each one of these simple ciphers. So today with the Caesar Cipher, just a little bit of a background with that, is this was used back in the time of Julius Caesar to help hide messages, of course, and it was mostly related to the military and them trading secrets back and forth. Now, their cipher, they normally just shifted 3, which you'll see what I mean here in just a second. The math behind that, I've done it pretty close to the same, but a little bit differently, which will actually look a little bit deeper into that. But to actually encrypt it, they would use equals x plus n modulus 26 for each letter of the alphabet. So this would be, to encrypt the message, they would take what they input, the offset, and then modulus 26. That's how you would actually get each of the letters for this. Now, to decrypt it, you would use pretty much the same type of thing, except for just backwards, at x minus n. Oops, I don't like that. There we go. Modulus 26. And of course, 26 letters in the alphabet. So you would put the letter that you see minus the number that was input or the offset letter, and then, or number, and then modulus 26. So you'll see the way that I have done it here in just a second. It can be done either way. That's deeper into the math. The way that I've done it is more along the lines of dealing with the ASCII table itself. So I will show you that. So let's put a string in here. And we can offset it. My program is not just set up to where you can do just one particular offset number. Mine is 1 through 25. It doesn't matter which. So we can do 16. That'll be fine. So we can see that each value, if you don't know what the ASCII value is or have not heard of that, please refer back to the previous videos. And we can see that 10 has been moved to a J, H to an X, I, and so on. So we can see that it is up 16. Now, what about this S to an I? Well, when it hits 90, which is a capital Z, keep in mind I convert everything to a capital letter, then it will, instead of continuing on with our large ASCII table, it will actually turn it back around and go to the other side. And what do I mean by that? Well, once it hits Z, where is it going to go? It's going to go back to A. And then it will continue on until it hits it. So that's pretty much, if it's greater than this, then that's where it will hit, if you count it all the way through. So let's look at a couple more. So let's do enter the string, and then my delimiter, and we can offset, let's say 8. So it will go up 8, and then it'll carry it back around, so up 8, 8, all the way down through. So really, this is, I know we discussed the rotating cipher the last time, and this is a lot like that. We can even use the rotating cipher with this. I mean, rotate, but then you just use 13, because there's 26 letters in the alphabet, and it's split it in half, 13 and 13, and then you've got 26. So if you rotate it, there you go. So we can even look at, say, the rotating. So we can see that they both match. So the rotating cipher is a form of the Caesar cipher, and however, the rotating cipher is a fixed offset. The Caesar cipher can be chosen for however many that the user would like to offset the number. So we can do a couple more. Let's see. Here we go. And let's use this one. All right, and let's offset, I don't know, 9. That'll be fun. So we can see that although it is a lot longer, we can see that it did offset that number. And we could put this in, and it would, with this particular program, I will be writing in some decryption functions to actually go back and decrypt it. But starting off, we're going to just look at, here's how it looks encrypted, and here is how we get to that. So there will be more videos coming out, obviously, because there's lots of different ciphers out there. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If there's any more ciphers that you would like to see or you need help with, let me know, and I'll be happy to look into that, look at the back end, and show you that math. But if there's anything else that I can do to help, please get in touch, and I will be posting a link to just a little bit of the background of the Caesar cipher in the details below. So thank you very much for your time, and I will talk to y'all later.